Ready to speed up your CapCut editing? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to apply the same transition to all your video clips in CapCut for PC. Whether you're working on a travel montage, a vlog, or a slick product demo, transitions are key to making your video feel smooth and professional. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to save time by applying your favorite transition to every split. No more repeating the same steps over and over. Let's get started right away. First, you'll want to add a transition to just one spot in your timeline. Head over to the Transitions tab. You'll see it at the top or sometimes just above your timeline, depending on your layout. Take a look through the previews. Try clicking on a few to see how they look. When you've found one you like, simply drag and drop it into the little gap between two clips on your timeline. That's your transition slot. If you want an even quicker way, just move the playhead, that vertical line, right to the split between clips. You'll notice a blue plus sign pop up next to some of the transition previews. Clicking that will add your chosen effect directly to the spot. Think of this step like setting a template. The first transition you add will be the one you copy across all your clips. Next up, let's dial in the perfect speed for your transition. After you've dropped your transition in, click directly on it in the timeline. You'll notice on the right side of your screen the Properties panel wakes up, showing you a slider for the duration. This slider controls how fast or slow the transition flows between scenes. If you're working with energetic content, a snappy, shorter transition works well. For softer storytelling, you might want a longer, smoother dissolve. Don't rush. Take a few moments to preview how the transition feels with your clips. Move the slider gently, then use the play button to watch it in action. If it seems too sudden or too drawn out, just tweak the slider again. It's absolutely normal to adjust it a few times until it feels right. Think of it like seasoning your food, where a little goes a long way. Alright, here comes the magic step that saves you time. With your Transition Properties panel still open, you'll see a button that says Apply to All. Go ahead and click that. What CapCut does here is brilliant. It automatically places the exact same transition with the same carefully chosen duration at every split in your timeline. No matter how many cuts you've made, you're now just one click away from a unified professional look. The software does the heavy lifting for you, so you don't need to repeat the same action 20, 50, or 100 times, which on bigger projects, I promise, feels like a lifesaver. Don't worry if you have clips of different lengths. CapCut will fit the transition into each gap, matching your set timing. Recap. All you did was drop your favorite transition on one split, adjust the speed to fit your story, and then hit Apply to All. In just a few minutes, your project will transition smoothly between clips with zero extra hassle. And that's it. You just learned a key workflow that the best editors use to save time and give their videos polish. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button. Got questions, or maybe you want tips on other CapCut effects? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I always love hearing what you're working on. And for more easy editing tutorials, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy editing until next time.